As part of our skills training on the creation of 3D animations, you will need a Plotagon app. So in this video, I'll teach you how to download the Plotagon Premium app for free to be used for creating the 3D animation videos. But before we start, you will need to have a Zakiver app. So you can go to Play Store or App Store and then you download your Zakiver before we proceed. So this is how the Zakiver look like. You see how it looks like. A disclaimer: this tutorials is for educational purposes only and not intend to cause any harm or breach to anyone. Now let's get started. So I will send you a link. Immediately you click on the link, it brings you here. Then you click on download to download. I'll send you that link. This is the link. The link is here. So immediately you click on the link, it brings you here. Then you click to download. Just press to download. So they are saying your download is starting. So I'm going to download. You click on download to download. So you can see down there downloading. So our premium app is downloading. So we are going to wait for it to download. We are going to wait for it to download. So after it has finished downloading, you click on your Zakiver. You click on your Zakiver. So after clicking on your Zakiver, you now search for when it opens like this, you search for Plotagon. So you see the Plotagon app we downloaded is zipped. So we are now going to unzip it. So you click on it. You click on it and then you select extract. You select extract. After selecting extract, just click on this arrow. Click on it to extract it. So we are extracting or unzipping the app, the Plotagon app. So we wait for it to finish extracting. Okay, so after it has finished extracting, you come to your file manager on your phone. On your phone, you select file manager or you select file. Your phone file. Yes. So now you now come to all files. We are going to search for our Plotagon app. We are going to search for our Plotagon app. So I select all files. Then I search for my Plotagon. So you search for it. You search for it. So after searching for your Plotagon, so you select Plotagon update mode. So after selecting that, you select data. So after selecting data, we are now going to copy this data. So you click on copy. We have copy here. Depending on the phone you are using, other phones you might not see the copy, but you might see more. Other phones you might not see the copy just here. You might see more around the side. So you click on the more and then you select copy. Are you getting me? So I'm going to copy the data. So after copying the data, they are now asking me to paste the data. So I'm now going to search for Android. Then I select internal storage here. Internal storage. So after selecting the internal storage, I'm now going to select Android. So after selecting Android, I'm now going to paste the data into my Android. Are you getting me? So all what we are doing is we copied the data from the Plotagon and then we are now pasting it onto our Android phone. So we are now going to paste our Plotagon we copied. So I select media and then I select paste. So we are now pasting the Plotagon we copied into our Android phone. So we are waiting for it to be pasted. So after it has finished pasting, you can see the Plotagon here, the data we copied and pasted. We can see it here. So after pasting, you wait patiently for it to paste. After pasting, just go back, and then you select all files again, internal storage, then you search for your Plotagon again, just like the first step. Then you select Plotagon update mode, just like the first step. You know, the first one we copied the data. Now we are now going to copy APK and OBB. So you select APK and OBB. So you select on it. So the first one, we are going to copy that one again. And then paste it on our Android. So you long press it and then you copy. Select on copy. So after copying, we go back to our internal storage and then select Android. After selecting Android, you paste it in the media again. You paste it, just paste. So you paste. After pasting the APK and OBB, we are now going to locate the file and then we now install. So you just go back and then you select all files, internal storage, then you search for your Plotagon. So when it opens, you select Plotagon update mode and then APK and OBB. So we are now going to install the APK. So just click on the install, just click on it. So when you click on it, they will ask you to, for security reasons, your phone currently isn't allowed. So let's go and allow it. So you click on settings. So you allow it so that it will be installed. Do you want to install this app? Yes, click on install. So we are installing our app now. So it has finished installing. So after it has finished installing, we are now going to open the app. Allow. We are now going to open the app. So this is the interface of the app. So now that we have been able to install our premium Plotagon app, let's see how to use it to create our 3D animations.